Let's look at some examples relating to periodic table trends. Let's put the following elements in order from least to greatest for each periodic table trend: magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, and chlorine. Our first trend is the atomic radius, which, if you remember, is smallest in the upper right-hand corner, where fluorine is, and biggest in the lower left-hand corner, where francium is. All five of these elements are in period 3 on the periodic table, so we're going to start from the smallest on the right and go to the largest on the left. So chlorine followed by phosphorus, then silicon, then aluminum, and finally magnesium. Next up is ionization energy, which is actually lowest in the bottom left and highest in the top right. So we're going to start from the left side and work our way to the right. That means we have magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, and chlorine in that order. Now, electronegativity follows the same trend as ionization energy. So we're going to have magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, then chlorine. So the elements are lowest electronegativity on the left and highest on the right. Now let's have a look at metallic character, which is actually the opposite of electronegativity. So we're going to put the lowest on the right side and the highest on the left. So this time we're going to start with chlorine, then phosphorus, silicon, aluminum, magnesium. Let's look at another example where we put the following elements in order from least to greatest for each periodic table trend. This time our elements are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead, all of which share the same column or group on the periodic table. Remember how we said for atomic radius, the smallest is at the top right and the bottom left is the largest? That means we're going to start with the element in the second row, which is carbon, and work our way down: silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Ionization energy actually follows the opposite trend, lowest on the bottom and highest on the top. So we're going to list the elements lead, tin, germanium, silicon, and carbon in that order from lowest to highest ionization energy. Electronegativity follows the same trend as ionization energy, so we're going to list the elements in the same order: lead, tin, germanium, silicon, carbon. Metallic character, on the other hand, is lowest at the top and highest at the bottom of the periodic table. So we're going to list the elements in order: carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Make sure you know all of the general trends, whether they go from top left to bottom right or bottom right to top left, from smallest to greatest.